Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to learn how to mute someone's calls on WhatsApp. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where all your chats are listed. Step 2. Go to the chat with the person whose calls you want to mute. This could be an individual or a group chat, but remember, muting calls works only for individual contacts. Step 3. Tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page, where you can manage all their notification settings. Step 4. On the profile page, tap on Notifications. Here you'll find options to customize alerts for messages and calls from this specific contact. Step 5. Tap on Ringtone under the Call section. This is where you can change or disable the sound for incoming calls from this person. Step 6. From the list, choose Silent to mute their calls. Once selected, you won't hear any ringtone when they call, but you'll still see the incoming call notification. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.